Hi everyone. It was another beautiful day across the island today with temperatures up into the mid-20s. A few spots even saw around 26 to 27 degrees Celsius, especially more central parts of the island. Although the interesting thing was out on the east coast, Sandown Bay, around about 3 p.m. this afternoon, was around 18 degrees Celsius. It's 18.4 is what we measured, although just a mile inland from there it was 23 degrees Celsius. That was because the wind was coming off the cold sea and a little bit of mist developed over over Sandown Bay really, and drifted on shore. And inside that mist, even though it was quite thin, it really was quite chilly. So anyway, this is the cloud map for tonight. This is 4 p.m. should I say, and you can see that it's been beautiful clear skies. But as we move through, you can see, up until 1 a.m. pretty much no cloud at all. Although later on tonight, you start to see this patchy cloud start to develop, and that's a sign of a bit of a change. And this change will be coming about in the form of showers. Now, you can see here on the rainfall map, as we move through the night, nothing at all for us. A dry night. But as we head towards dawn, we start to see these clusters of showers moving up from the south. A few of the different computer models are expecting different things, but they generally have the same kind of theme, and that is potential of an area of showers moving up around dawn, just to the west of the island, possibly clipping us. Now, it seems likely around dawn we're going to see a lot more cloud developing, possibly with a nice sunrise with it as well. Whether these showers develop is very difficult to say for sure, but it does look like they may well develop, and we could get a few move across the island or just clip the island as we head through the morning. Then we go in for a dry spell as we head towards the afternoon. So before we get too far into tomorrow's weather, let's just do the temperatures and the wind for tonight. Now you can see this is at 9 p.m. We still got 16, 17, 18 degrees across the island, and the winds are very light and variable. There's no real direction. As we move through the night, nothing much really changes. The temperatures fall away in some central parts to around 10, 11 degrees. We could see a few spots down to 8 or 9 degrees Celsius, but this is really going to be very localized. Generally it'll be around 11 to 12 and possibly as high as 13 or 14 in more built up areas. And you can also see here by 6 a.m. the winds start to increase a little bit. So we've got these winds which were variable, and they're turning around more into the east or east-southeast. And you can see here, especially more coastal parts, they're picking up to 10, 12, maybe 14 miles per hour. So a breeze, it will be starting to show itself. And that will break up any mist and fog that's likely to develop tonight over central parts of the island. So let's head through tomorrow with the cloud cover, and you can see here that this is the start of the day, and by 10 a.m. and then 1 p.m. we've still got some cloud around. In fact, as we head through the afternoon, the cloud thickens up a little bit more, and we may well see a few showers moving through, especially towards later on in the evening as well. So we'll continue with the rainfall maps here, and you can see this is at 1 p.m. Perhaps the odd shower out to the west, but nothing too spectacular. By 4 p.m. we start to see these showers move through. Now, it's like I said, with showers it's difficult to know where they're going to hit, and a lot of the computer models are a little bit confused about when the showers are going to arrive. But it seems most likely towards later on in the afternoon, maybe towards the evening, we could see a few showers starting to develop in the English Channel and down towards France. And then up towards later on in the evening, up towards midnight, we see further showers developing, which any of these showers that hit the island could be thundery, especially later on. But then once these showers clear through later on tomorrow evening, there's some clear air coming in behind. But this model doesn't go out as far as that, but you can see by 1 p.m. there's a clearer slot coming in behind. So let's run through the temperature and the wind. We'll overlay the wind with this as well. So let's overlay the temperatures and winds here, and you can see that the temperature at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, 13, 14 degrees Celsius. So it'll be rising quite quickly again, the temperature will be. And we've got a moderate southeasterly breeze blowing. By 2 p.m. we're starting to see temperatures back into the 20s. So it's going to be quite a pleasant day. A little bit cooler here in the east and south. Temperatures closer to 15, 16, maybe 17 degrees Celsius closer to the coast. But as soon as you come inland, temperatures 18 to 20, possibly a little bit higher. And these winds are going to be coming in from the east at this point, possibly the east southeast. And we're looking at anywhere between 10 and 14 miles per hour. So not desperately strong, but a little bit breezier than what we've had today. And you can see here, just overlay the temperature colours. You can see the areas that are going to be warmest tomorrow. So anyway, that's all for the moment. If the risk of thundery showers if the risk looks higher than what it's looking now, or if any showers could potentially cause any problems, we'll let you know, and we'll of course let you know more about the showers tomorrow. Anyway, so that's all for the moment, and yeah, goodbye for now.